आइए आपको बराह रास्त इस्लामाबाद लिए चलते हैं, जहां पर तर्जमान दफ्तर खारजा हिना बलोच मीडिया को ब्रीफिंग दे रही हैं।
Culture, security and counter-terrorism. They also agreed on the importance of regular high-level exchanges and to continue bilateral dialogue mechanisms to explore mutually beneficial cooperation. The two foreign ministers discussed global and regional issues, especially South Asia and Afghanistan. Bilateral cooperation at multilateral fora, including SCO, came under discussion. Last week, Minister of State for Foreign Affairs Ms. Hina Rabbani Khar led Pakistan delegation to UN Human Rights Council in Geneva. The Minister of State presented Pakistan's National Progress Report under the Universal Periodic Review, UPR 42. In her remarks, the Minister of State highlighted legal, policy, institutional and administrative steps taken by Pakistan to promote human rights and fundamental freedoms. She reaffirmed Pakistan's resolve to promote well-being and welfare of its people, build a democratic polity, and foster an inclusive society. She noted the steady progress on implementation of recommendations made at Pakistan's third Universal Periodic Review and expressed Pakistan's continued commitment to human rights. On the sidelines of the event, the Minister of State held meetings with United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Director General of the International Labour Organization, Director General of World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, and Secretary General of the UN Conference on Trade and Development. Special Representative for Afghanistan of the United States, Thomas West, and the European Union Special Representative for Afghanistan, Thomas Nicholson, visited Pakistan this week and held meetings with Special Advisor to the Prime Minister on Afghanistan, Ambassador Mohammad Sadiq, and Foreign Secretary Dr. Asad Majid Khan. During these meetings, the two sides discussed the regional situation, including the recent developments in Afghanistan and humanitarian support to the Afghan people. The Pakistan side reaffirmed our commitment to a peaceful, stable, and interconnected region. Executive Director of the United Nations Environment Programme, Ms. Inger Anderson, is on an official visit to Pakistan from 30th January to 3rd February 2023. During this visit, she has engaged with different national stakeholders. Ms. Anderson has called on the Prime Minister and held meetings with Minister for Climate Change, Ms. Sherry Rahman, and Foreign Secretary Dr. Asad Majid Khan. In these meetings, the two sides discussed the ongoing cooperation between Pakistan and UNEP, including with reference to Pakistan's efforts to build back better and greener after last year's floods. Pakistan reiterated its commitment to promoting partnerships at all levels in response to climate change and for protecting biological diversity and addressing waste and pollution. As the current chair of G70 and China,
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा मुमताज़ हिना बलोच हफ्तावार मीडिया से ब्रीफिंग कर रही थी। उनका कहना था कि पाकिस्तान कश्मीरियों की हर मुमकिन इमदाद जारी रखेगा। मुमताज़ हिना बलोच की हफ्तावार मीटिंग में ये कहना था कि पाकिस्तान कश्मीरियों की हर मुमकिन इमदाद को जारी रखे हुए है।